back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. And today I'm back with a very interesting video. You all already know by the title that I am going to show you the PRs I received this year. And I was not expecting this many PRs in just a year because I was not planning to be product reviewer, but I got some PR and I received 8 PRs. So without talking, let's get into the video. First of all, I would like to thank the universe, and I am so grateful that I received this PRs because I manifested them, and I was not expecting that I would be getting this many PRs in this year because I was just expecting that okay chalo theek hai, I would be getting 1 to 2, but I was not expecting 8. It was surprising and shocking for me, and still I got, so grateful to receive so many PRs in just a year. I know for you 8 is a very small number, but for me it's a lot. I just can't express how grateful I feel, but I feel so grateful and so glad. I just feel so happy to receive these many PRs. And अभी जैसे कि year का ending आ चुकी है, so I want to show it to you what I got. I already have posted some of the shorts videos on my this channel, so still I want to show it to you all because some of the PRs I got only for Amazon reviews. I have not posted any kind of videos for that, so I'm going to show it to you all in here. And I just want to keep this in my YouTube channel as my memories, digital diary. So I got there's many PRs, and these are the ones I got. I'm so happy, so happy. And let me show you one by one now. First, I want to show you the PR I got from Modern Walk, and there I have given the shipping cost, and they have given me these 3 things together. And this is the earring. This is the first one, and this is a ring. I have already showed it to you all from my videos, like short videos. And this is the ring. Then these are the earrings. So these are the things I received, and I got them from, it's an Instagram page called Modern Walk. They run a small business, so you can work with them, and you have to pay for the shipping cost only. And after paying the shipping cost, they're going to deliver to you these things for free. Only you have to pay the shipping cost, and it's very trusted brand. I have worked with them, and many of have worked with them, so you can trust them. And they also work with other brands, like they give collaborations from other brands as well. If you have a good profile, if you have good number of followers in your Instagram account, and if you create videos like product reviews and other things like skincare or beauty products, then you can first collaborate with them. You have to like just pay the shipping cost, which is only around 200 to 300, and that's it. And they're going to send beautiful aesthetic products, and after that you have to review them by collaborating with Modern Work. And one is from Garnier. The first one is this one. I have already finished this literally because ये गर्मियों के दिन में मुझे मिला था, and I wanted to use this from a very long time, so I used it. I finished it. अगर हंसना है तो हंस लो. So this is the first one. Then I also got one complimentary. This is the spray from Garnier. It's a sunscreen. Got from Be Body Wise next. So this is the package. This is the one. यहाँ पे ऐसे चॉकलेट्स जैसी होती है, ये हेयर गमीज है. Then I got from Dot & Key. This was my dream PR, I wanted to receive Dot & Key बहुत पहले से, but I was thinking कि when I would be having like 1000 or 2000 followers, maybe I think I'll get from Dot & Key, but उससे पहले मुझे मिल जाएगा. I was not expecting. But ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ हुआ है only for Modern Work team, because I'm also a Modern Work influencer. I have worked with them. I have reviewed their products. So for that, can you see this? Yes. So let me show you. Okay, the first one is this Dot & Key ka yellow wala moisturizer. It's the best one for glowing skin, okay? And I have already reviewed this. The container is so beautiful, just. तो ये है पहला वाला. Second complimentary product मिला था, and that's this one, Dot & Key का. Then I received ये वाला Nikoni 10 Vanish का प्रोडक्ट, क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ अमेजोन में रिव्यू देनी थी. मतलब वीडियो रिव्यू नहीं करना है, ओनली फॉर अमेजोन. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिव्यूड इट ऑन अमेजोन. सो दिस इज़ द वन प्रोडक्ट. एंड यहाँ पे ना बहुत कुछ है सामान, लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू ओपन इट नाउ, और मे बी आई कैन. यहाँ पे इट्स फॉर सनबर्न थिंग, सनबर्न रिमूवल का थिंग है, लाइक इस टाइप का होता है, और इस टाइप की कंटेनर मिलता है आप लोगों को. ऐसा है. So I received this one from Himalaya, and this one I received before the Garnier one, after the Modern Work. So yeah, this is the one, and this is my first ever brand collaboration. So बहुत बाद में दिखा रही हूँ, but this is my first ever brand collaboration, and it's from Himalaya. And I received it in the month of July maybe. So I got this one recently. I received this recently, and it's eye patches. This is for Amazon review. So ये वाला ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है, तो ये है. So this is the maybe last one for 2020-26, but the main. So this is the 7th one, and this was the 8th PR. मैंने तो कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मुझे इस वाले ब्रांड से PR मिलेगी. I was not expecting, because I was not expecting from Dot & Key and this brand, but I received. But Dot & Key से तो मिल गया, but ये वाला brand से I was not expecting. I reached out to them and they accepted. Like मुझे तो पहले लगा कि ये prank है शायद, या फिर they would just ghost me. But no, I received, and it's from Mass Cosmetics, and wow, I received 5 shades, and मैंने ये सब पैकेट्स खोल के रखी है क्योंकि the packets are so tight, I just cannot open in one go. So these are the shades. I have already posted a video. You can check it on my Shorts channel. These are the shades. ये सब lipsticks का shade है. I have one more, but I'm not finding it now. So these are the shades. All the swatches on my Shorts, so you can watch that video. So yeah, these are the PRs I received for this year. 8 PR, and I was not thinking, but I'm so grateful कि I manifested. ये सब मैंने अपना vision board में चिपकाया. मैं brand से products receive करूँ. I have just posted it on my vision board, and it came true. And this is it. I hope you like watching this video, and if you liked watching this video, do like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to my channel. Wait for my next video. Maybe one more video is going to come before the year ends. So bye bye. See you in my next video.